Hey, this is your girl Mimi again. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can check a broker credits. Yes, when you're booking a load, you always need to check the credit before you go any further in the emailing process or calling. Is the best thing is to check, but I understand when you're booking a load, sometime you can reach out to 20 or 25 broker before uh, you get a gold conversation starting. So it's annoying to be checking all the time. So what I do, I'll be bidding on loads, emailing, but as soon as I see the person email me back, then I'll go check the credit. If I see that my factoring company don't factor them, I ask the carrier, do you want to do a quick pay or 3-day pay or EFC? So then at this point, if the carrier say, no, I don't want to do any of this, I just want to do what it can de facto. So I stop the conversation there. Sorry. Uh, but if they say they want the cook pair or whatever, so I go ahead and ask the broker. So it avoid you to waste their time and waste your time, you know, because it happened to me at my beginning as a rookie. I will do the whole conversation, and by the time they say the recon, they're getting ready to send the recon. That's when I remember to check with the factoring company, and then if they don't get factor, and I know the carrier don't want to take the quick pay or any other payment, so then I have to cancel the load. I got some screaming at me. So anyway, to avoid that, so I'm gonna share my screen with you. So there is two-way. What is that? Okay. So broker credit check, or you can check it with your factoring company. You know, I factor with Triumph, and some of my career factor with Triumph. So it's easy when it is the career that I factoring with Triumph. So I can check myself. I don't have to tell them. But for career that I know with Triumph, I tell them, oh, you might look with your company if they factor this one. So let's go on deity. And again, for the one that doesn't know me, my name is Mimi Diallo. I'm passionate about it, and I specialize in anything that is related to the trucking, from doing taxes, trucking taxes, to helping people set up the authority, do mentorship or dispatch. So I'm passionate about everything, but I cannot drive. So that's the funny side of your girl cannot drive. So I'm behind the computer, anything that is tax related, bookkeeping, teaching people to dispatch and all of dispatch truck. I can do that. Okay. So if you're watching this from YouTube, subscribe and like, you know the charades, or Facebook share. So here we're gonna go here. This is when you are in the on DAT. This is the MC. This is how you. So I'm gonna just scan it. Oh, not scan it. Selected copy and go to that website. Put the MC. Let me see if you're gonna give me the whole thing about the result. So you see, it give me Global Trans Enterprise EMC. So it's the same here. Trans, and the name is a little bit different. So it give you, so day to pay, it take them 39 days to pay people. Okay. So you can see all the information here. So then I go to my the factoring company, which mine or some of my career is Triumph. So if it's not Triumph, you need to tell your career to call and see if his factoring company will factor the loads before you guys go any further, because any some of those loads to book it, you're gonna be emailing back and forth. It can take about like 40 emails sometimes. I'd seen my highest was like 80, because I like, even after booking the load, I keep contact with the broker, like I keep them updated about when the driver is on the way. He get to the pickup, he pick up, I send the picture, he's on his way. And every day we give an update where the driver is. And then when the load get delivery, I send them the BOL. Okay. So this is how to create the credit of a broker. You know, it give you all the information. You can also get it from deity sometime. So when you click on the MC, it will give you all the information about them. Yes, so that's another way to find out stuff about them. And you can leave a review. Like if a broker is nasty, you can leave a review, but careful with that because if it's not true or you cannot prove it, even if you can prove it, that's somebody that can go after your MC or the MC of your career. So really careful when you're doing it and do it when it's really worth it. Yeah, so this is, I think, the review, but yeah, most of them got a bad review. So yeah, so that's how you check the credit of a broker, how long it takes them to pay and stuff like that. All right, that was a quick one video that to show you guys how to check. This is how you can, I'm on Triumph website. So I click on credit request. It might be different if you are with OTR or RTS or something like that, but this is for Triumph. So I'll paste the MC and then I do search. Again, I do paste. So this particular one, you see the name and stuff, they are approved by Triumph. So if I was booking for my career, that is he factor with Triumph, I could book this load. But if it's another one, it can be. So sometimes you can see case that is not factorable, so it will write deny. So then I don't, or I'll go back to the career and ask them, do you still want this? If they still want to do it and take a quick pay. Okay. So thank you for joining me for this quick video. Again, if you need any of my service, my website is www.mimidiallo, like my name, mimidiallo.org. I provide dispatching service. I provide training to be a dispatcher. I also provide courses that will teach you how to start your trucking business. So, or a consultation for mentorship and stuff like that. So you can call me at 404-322-8827. Thank you. Until next time, keep the hustle on.